Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at this, the KF9.087 tripod. If you're looking for a tripod that is really tall and under $100, you might be interested in this tripod. Now, I don't recommend that you keep it at full height unattended, and if possible, try to keep it, more at eye height for stability issues. If it's a windy day and it's really tall like that, it may tip over. Although it's surprisingly sturdy for a tripod that costs less than $100, and it has a lot of nice features as well. It's adjustable from 18 to 79 inches, and it has 4 section column legs with 3 quick release flip locks. Folded up, it's 18 inches. Overall, it weighs 3.17 pounds, and it has a maximum carry load of 17.6 pounds. The tripod can easily be turned into 80.7 inch monopod or walking stick. You could invert the center column for low angle shooting. It has a 28 millimeter 360 degree Arca Swiss ball head with 2 independent control knobs and a level. And finally, the tripod comes with a durable nylon case. Again, if you're looking for a tripod that is really tall and pretty sturdy for its height, you might want to check out this K&F Concept tripod. In the description below this video, I'll have links to K&F Concept, and you could check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.